Yo, 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 what up? It's your boy, the Chaos Void Phantom, and we're back with another sensational, spectacular video. Now, Plug Boys, I know what you're thinking. Where's he been? He hasn't uploaded in almost a month. I'd like to tell you, this last month's been a little bit crazy for me, you know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of things in my life have been going on, but I realized I have a fleeting crowd of 50 people to entertain me. So I will, I don't even know how many subscribers I got on this thing. Let me pull it up on my phone real quick. Started from the bottom, now we way up. So, I got 31 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So y'all my people, so I gotta give y'all the entertainment. Anywho, today we tackling the Star Cup, cause you know, your boy's a real super star. Alright, seriously. We gotta get it on cracking, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get it on cracking, and just like that. But yeah, let's talk about this topic. Let's talk about murder. So, guys, I don't like to, you know, break the law. I don't like to put fiction out into reality, but let's keep it a buck 50. Murder hornets are real life mega Beedrills, you know, and half of you probably don't know what a mega Beedrill is. That's a Pokemon, so I don't want you to take it for Digimon, Bakugan, Cybermon, or whatever kind of mon they have out now, you know, or yokai. Anybody play yokai? Anybody like, is there like a serious, you know what I'm saying, like gather of people say, yo, y'all trying to throw that out on some yokai watch? Like, do people legitimately, like, you know what I'm saying, like, do people say, yo, Yokai Watch is like the greatest, like, monster game of like the greatest 5 billion eons? Like, do people just be like, nah, it's good? Pretty much an obscure Pokemon. Pretty heat for a while, but then it got like. Kind of boring, to be completely honest. The city will always be my favorite course. City? No, there's another course on here that I love more than the city. I was always a Crown Cup kid in this game, to be honest. This was, fun fact, this was one of the only games that I could really ever beat my cousin in as a child. It was every game he watched. And of course, I cried like a baby. You know what I'm saying? And, I'm not proud of yourselves, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? Huh? This though, like, who thought Warrior's ability of just, like, wielding a bomb? Like you feel me? Like, man's chucks a weapon of mass destruction. And, like, just, he chucks it. You know what I'm saying? Like, where does he get these? Later on throughout this playthrough, I'll eventually upgrade, like, my playstyle and not have to play as Bummy McBummerton McGee combos. Because I'm trying to unlock my favorite combo, my first favorite combination, which happens to be Toad and, no, it's Toad. I like Toadette and Red Koopa. Toadette and Red Koopa, it's over. If you alternate me, let me get the Toads, let me get the Red Koopa, any of the babies or any of the Toads, I don't even care. I said I'll wash you in Mario Kart Double Dash, and that's just a Snapple type. Yeah. Welcome on to Mushroom City, or as I like to call it, completely dangerous if you're playing on higher CCs. Otherwise, this course is low-key a joke. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, when I recorded this, I was checking my phone, so that's probably the reason why you're like, wow, he really waited a long while. I did not wait for it. I think on the next commentary series I'm going to do this live, but for this one and the one coming after this one's not going to be live. I'm going to be playing Mario Party, and Mario Party is a game I got to play live. Oh, yeah, I remember that about this course. The thing about this course, and for some reason, unbeknownst reason, you'll see throughout the video, is I'll say, hey, what if, and hear me out on this, we took every single course, and I just crashed. And kaboom. There we go. Fantastic. I like how this car that can probably barely hold Wario up is like somehow managed to bend it with the weight of Bowser, and it's actually being able to have a decent takeoff speed. Like, you know, thank God it's not the third lap. Man, but yeah, life's been a little rough, you know. So I gotta tell y'all, all y'all out there struggling right now, just know that there's beauty in this struggle. All right, you're gonna grow and you're gonna learn. Oh, there goes my horrible son. You're gonna learn. You're gonna grow and learn from this. Okay. You're gonna really learn to love yourself. Well, you ain't really got nobody else unless you, if you haven't anti-socialized yourself, which I don't want to say anti-socialized, more like distance yourself, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Just love yourself. All right? It's rough, but you know, I believe in my 31 subscribers, or however many subscribers. I believe in whoever hears this. I can't believe I really like Kobe that halfway across the map thinking, yo, no way this is gonna come back to bite me in the butt, and boom. Oh yeah, I remember that. During this part, I really thought the race was over, so like I almost put the controller down until I heard that boo 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 or whatever it plays through before the start of the third lap. It's alright, course. It's nothing that would make me go whoa, 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 whoa. What I can say about this course, except I'm telling you, like on 150 cc's, it really looks like I'm facing a challenge. Right here, it really does. I did that just to flex. I said, yo, Bowser will take a bomb straight to the face and still win. So what's your life like, player? What's your life like, you know? Just like that? I didn't really... I swear to you, it's like almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon when I'm recording this. I just don't know, I'm sapped out of energy. But yeah, back to the Mega Hornets, or whatever you want to call the Devils. I'm really not trying to, I'm not trying to deal with all that. I don't want to play that, because that's a little obnoxious. It's like, you know, it's like, Hornets are already bad enough, but these Hornets are like the size of a human thumb. Like, and I don't mean like a thumb, I mean like a thumb, like that gym teacher thumb, like that type of thumb you smell, you're like, yo, it smell like pistachio nuts and bologna. You're like, yo, what was this man eating for lunch? And then like he breathes on you and you can smell the oregano and like day old mayonnaise. It's like, you know what I'm saying, like them gym teacher struggle lunches. But shout out to all my gym teachers, y'all was always the goats. Man, who would have thought talking and filling up a time space would be some of the hardest things for me to do? And my friends know I love to talk. I don't know, would y'all like to see, I don't know, every once in a while I might upload like a short little clip snippet of Yu-Gi-Oh! Just to attract in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Fan base, like add in Pokemon Showdown type videos and be like, yo, watch me get washed on Showdown. Yeah. Those videos are gonna be a little aggressive though, because I get aggravated when I'm live. When I have time to think it out like I do now, it's a whole different ballgame, you know? Sorry, just looking at Discord. My friend made this Discord server, which I'll have a Discord server. I'm gonna have all that set up. I'm gonna upload for like the next 3 days and then like disappear smooth off the face of the map for like 2, so that way I can like upload all the settings stuff. Not if I'm at work, because guess what, boys? I got a J-O-B, and now I get that M-O-N-E-Y, cash for you, my guy, except it's not for you, it's for me. Holy smokes, you know? It's incredible to really get the chance to live this. It's really incredible, and I'm glad I don't have to play over the I don't have to play over like the audio. I can just holy smokes, I ain't never had to yawn like this before in my life. It's good to be a YouTuber, you know? Oh, Donkey Kong Circuit. I think that means, yep, we're closing in on the end of this wild race. Man. As for 50cc, this is coming to a wrap up, but you know, it's really good to wrap up the final 50cc courses. See, it's not going. See, now the problem that comes with this is I have the whatchamacallit cuts done, but the question is, would you guys like rather me do like the full, like utter complete 50cc, or would you rather me do 50cc part and then 50cc part, 50cc part, and then no, I'm sorry, did you rather me do all of 50cc first, like mushroom all the way to all cup, or would you rather me do from 50cc mushroom flower star, then 100cc mushroom flower star until I air quote unquote unlock crown cup? You know what? Y'all just gonna get it the way I give it to y'all. I know it's not gonna be in order, but you know, y'all just gonna have to pretend like it's whatever. Y'all gonna get it the way you get it. Cause I can fully and utterly understand why some people like to record live, you know, because it really helps you connect with your audience. So, am I replaying all of Mario Kart Double Dash? Yo? No. Yo. No. 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 Negative. Y'all got me chopped. Sorry. I don't got time for all that. I'm just not with that kind of foolery. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna invite my friend. I'll let her know she getting her daily dose of Double Dash. Yeah, I'm doing Mario Party Live next. I might do Sonic Riders. I'm gonna do Sonic Riders. I'm gonna crank out a whole live Sonic Rider. Because to be completely honest with you, it's not gonna take me out. It's really not gonna take me out long, and I know everybody gonna see, oh, progression. Listen, I'm cranking out the courses. Y'all can watch the cutscenes on your own free time. I don't got time for, it's kind of hard to do the cutscenes in that game now. Well, it seems the course is wrapped up, so 54 seconds. Yeah, we'll see what I decide to do next. Really, we'll see what I decide to do next. It all depends on my mood. Now, let's head to this award ceremony and see what's crack-a-lack-a-lack-a-lack. Obviously, I'm gonna watch them all most times. I think it's somewhere in 100cc, or it might be in 150cc or nearer. There are 1 to 2 times I don't get like first or second place. I'm always in the top 3, but it's like I never get, you know what I'm saying, completely lost. So this video is wrapping up, so thank you for watching the Chaos Void Phantoms video. Have a great day, and remember to always have yourself a real good one, you know? Alright, love, appreciate yourself. I'm out. Say subscribe, hit the bell notification for the next video.